The basic unit of life is called a blank. Tissue, organ, cell, organism. Blank cells have a stiff outer covering which helps them to stand upright. Plant, human, animal, all. Blank is the intake and use of food by living things. Reproduction, growth, excretion, nutrition. Most of the germs that can make us sick are made up of blank. Trillions of cells, many cells, different types of cells working together, only a single cell. All cells are covered by a blank that helps to protect the cell and hold it together. Cell wall, stiff outer covering, membrane, cytoplasm.